The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 437, effective until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Monday. This watch includes the following counties in Georgia: Franklin, Habersham, Hart, Rabun, and Stevens, and the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Avery, Buncombe, Burke, Caldwell, Catawba, Cleveland, Davie, Graham, Haywood, Henderson, Ardell, Jackson, Lincoln, Macon, Madison, McDowell, Mitchell, Polk, Rowan, Rutherford, Swain, Transylvania, Watauga, Wilkes, and Yancey, and the following counties in South Carolina: Anderson, Cherokee, Greenville, Oconee, Pickens, and Spartanburg. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 437 has been issued until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Monday for the following counties in Georgia: Franklin, Habersham, Hart, Rabun, and Stevens, and the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Avery, Buncombe, Burke, Caldwell, Catawba, Cleveland, Davie, Graham, Haywood, Henderson, Ardell, Jackson, Lincoln, Macon, Madison, McDowell, Mitchell, Polk, Rowan, Rutherford, Swain, Transylvania, Watauga, Wilkes, and Yancey, and the following counties in South Carolina: Anderson, Cherokee, Greenville, Oconee, Pickens, and Spartanburg. Heat advisor.